Hey guys, PURPLEXEDQT here. A little quick video that some exciting news. So all day today I've gotten text messages. I've gotten emails. Are you the one special guest going on Katie's Live? Is that you going on Katie's Live? And I said, no, not that I know of. So we were all trying to figure out like who's the special guest. I was like, it's not going to be us. She's in a drama community. It has nothing to do with us. So then I checked my social media, and at 8:30 this morning, they contacted me about going on the show. And I saw it this afternoon. I said, yeah, I'll go on. No problem. I think it'll be an awesome opportunity for me to tell my side, to stick up for my Patreons, my subs, and everyone else that's been grouped into this fucking annihilation of me. And it just has to stop. So hopefully Katie can make this all stop. Not that she has magical powers or anything, but I think it'll help making it stop. Because one thing is that I did not choose to be in this community. I was dragged into this community. Just like I'm being dragged into Boyd and all these other communities that people want to go run their mouth about me. And I'm kind of over it. So Drama Stars tonight at 8 Central Time, 9 o'clock Eastern. And I'll see you guys there. I need all my support. I will link below the actual link to get there. And I will see you guys tonight. I can't wait to finally have a voice in a community that I really didn't want to be a part of. But since I got dragged into it, at least I get to tell my side of the story. All right? So don't forget, I'll see you guys 8 p.m. Central, 9 o'clock Eastern. Peace.